Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use LinkedIn ads to increase followers. Let's start. So, some of us who are still not familiar with, what LinkedIn ads can do, there are actually ways for you to improve your LinkedIn profile for you to, either, get more opportunities or advertise. Depends on what kind of profile that, you have for LinkedIn. So in my case, for example, I have a student profile. So I just want to make sure that, I'll be able to look for more jobs. But say, for instance, you're an influencer or you're a business or you're an author maybe, and you're actually looking for more followers for your page, there's actually a way for you to do that here in LinkedIn. So bear in mind that when you're having these features, there's of course an additional fee, and it depends, or and then it varies as well depending on what target market that you'd like to basically target. So one of the things that you want to maximize or optimize rather is having to have a premium account. So when you do a premium account, say for instance, if I just using my account as an example, if I just want to find leads, and then if I just want to see search for people, just depending on what my needs are, LinkedIn would actually offer you, if you want to have what other things that you can put on your LinkedIn account, so either business, sales, navigator, core. But what I will be introducing you today is LinkedIn has marketing solutions when it comes to ads. So you can go to business.linkedin.com/marketing-solutions, and you would be able to see all sorts of advertising that would improve or boost your page. So today's topic is about adding more followers. You can actually look for and search for follower ads. So for this one, guys, of course, given that there's an extra feature, extra service, there's definitely like additional charge for this one, or additional fees, and that depends, and it varies and depends on your needs. So this is how it looks like. It would give you like it would guide you. It would give you some guide on how to set this up in your account. And if you have like technical specifications, you could always go to help center. To give you a sample, this is how it would look like. Say if there's like the news feed, or the feed rather, that you have in your LinkedIn, you would be able to see this kind of page, or like the ad, wherein people would just have to click on follow. So that's pretty much it. And if you want to learn more about LinkedIn, guys, you can subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.